Hello, my name is Somil, and over the weekend I worked on this platform called Sentient that you can essentially think of as like a platform for creating cognitive AI agents at scale. Now, before I explain what that means, I'm just going to give this platform like some sort of a relatively complex, task, and we can see exactly how it breaks it down. While it does that, I'll explain it to you. So let's say if I give it the task to find me the best restaurants in Champaign. And let's say if I wanted to email me the results. Right. So now basically the idea, while it's figuring that out, I'll go ahead and explain the architecture to you. So basically the idea behind Sentient is that there's an LLM at the core that essentially takes in those observations, maintains like a working memory of all the things it has available to it, and just tries to evaluate based on that. 1 second. Clearly the agent needs my email address to actually send me the email. But yeah, so the idea is that as and when the agent, or as and when Sentient receives the observations from the user, any input that they give, it's able to identify, it's able to break down exactly what it needs to do next to be able to reach that final goal. And it has, it can choose from actions like search, emailing somebody else. Search is of course web search, writing and executing code right on the back end, replying directly to the user, as well as setting reminders for future updates. So those are of course the actions. On top of that, it has access to tons of memory, like it can store distinct atoms or distinct segments of information within memory. So this really helps keep maintaining long-term memory over, tons of days, tons of months of work as an agent. It can actually maintain that memory and keep using it again and again to be a better agent. It has stuff like variables, so it can store distinct user information such as the email address, which actually allows it to send the emails effectively as well as maintain that memory over time. On top of stuff like that, obviously it has access to reasoning actions which allow it to keep growing its knowledge. It has access to learning, which allow it to maintain that long-term memory and actually keep working like that. And all in all, it can really keep iterating again and again, which allows it to complete complex tasks. And as you can see right here, it's found the best restaurants and it's emailed the results to me as well. So let's go ahead and look at my email and see if I've received it. And there you go. There's a new email that just came, and it seems fairly detailed. It's given the reviews of restaurants, best picks by cuisine, best picks by fine dining even, as well as value options. I mean, seems to be a pretty decent evaluation. And yeah, that's I guess one demo for a Sentient platform. Thank you.